What it do, baby? It's your boy Kyle Wavy, and I just got a package from Vans, so let's open it up and see what we got.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who the flyest of them all? Niggas wanna ball, but still ain't crawl, so I just watch them fall. 1, 2, blood on my lube. 3, 4, hoe shut my door. 5, 6, T picked up but switched and blitzed and had to go. Nigga, I was 16 worth a brick, I'm not your average joke. I'm still stashing dope case casket, lowest a chance I might go broke. Bitch ain't really a prospect, she got cut cause she only good for dope. Block work go for 6, you want that shit, and I got goods for low. Tell me who the fly, Keezy. Baby, who the richest, Keezy. Who them niggas copy, Keezy. Who think he the illest, Keezy. Yeah, niggas Keezy. Who is Keezy?